This brand new website here will pay you for every single click, and it's not only new, but it's also free and available worldwide. And for those of you who stick around until the end of the video, I'll give you a bonus on how to set it up on autopilot so you can actually earn money in passive income. Okay, so let's jump straight into this strategy, guys. The first site you will want to go over to, which is also the website that will pay us in passive income today, is this one here called entireweb.com. Now, I know most of you have never heard about this platform, so let me elaborate. EntireWeb is actually a search engine and is very much comparable to Google. You just type in what you want to search for, press enter, and it will show you a bunch of results. But it has one major difference that also makes it perfect to use to get paid. It's not even close to reaching the numbers of Google. As you can see on this site called similarweb.com, it only gets over 150,000 visits a month. Google, meanwhile, gets like 4 to 5 billion, if not even more than that. And the reason this is important is because EntireWeb is actually willing to pay you very nicely if you refer someone to their website. They obviously wouldn't have to do this if they had a comparable number of visits monthly to Google, but that is not the case. So they are literally willing to pay people to refer others for that particular reason. And they actually pay per click, which is very nice. In order to access their affiliate program, what you need to do is click on these three lines, so to speak, in the upper right corner, and you will be able to click on affiliate down below. On the very next page, you will see what I was talking about. You will get paid 20 cents per click. And while 20 cents isn't a lot of money, bear in mind that this is per click, not per purchase. Nothing like that. This means that unlike when you are promoting some product as an affiliate, there's a very, very high chance someone you refer to here will search for something, since obviously it doesn't cost them anything to do so. And that is really important with this strategy as it will allow you to earn more money per less people referred. For example, if you refer like 100 people here, and let's say they all search for something 3 times, you would earn 60 cents per person, which is $60 in total for just 100 people. And it's safe to say, I think that some people might search a few more times as well. So as you can see, this does have some potential, even though at first glance it doesn't seem like so. Furthermore, I will show you where you'll reach not dozens or thousands, but literally millions of people, so that you could be able to make some really decent money passively referring people to this website. Now, the last thing worth noting is how you will get paid through this site. Unfortunately, as of now, they don't offer any other payments other than PayPal. But since the site does work in many different countries around the globe, I think they will add in a few more payment options as time goes on. But they only offer PayPal as of now. Now, with all of that said, what you need to do first, before we get to the traffic source I mentioned a moment ago, is sign up to this platform as an affiliate. And by the way, it's completely free to do so, and it will take you literally a couple of minutes to do it, as you will soon see. Anyhow, to register, you want to click on Create Account right here. On the very next page, you just have to enter in your first and last names, then your traffic ID, and this can be literally anything you want it to be. And lastly, on this page, you will need to enter in your email address. Now, from there, they'll ask you for more information, your physical address, where you're from, and then you'll proceed to fill in the payment information. And finally, you'll just need to agree to their terms to create your account. Once you create your account, this is what you will come across. This is the dashboard. Up here, you will be able to see your affiliate link, and as most of you know, whenever someone clicks on it, they will be redirected onto EntireWeb. And if they proceed to search for something, you'll get paid 20 cents. As simple as that. On here, you will also be able to see how many clicks you have gotten thus far, and of course, how much money you have made. And with that being said, guys, since you now have an account, let me show you what you need to do in order to get traffic. The first thing you want to do, which is also an optional step, but I would still recommend it, is you shorten your affiliate link using bit.ly.com. I prefer doing this since the link looks so much nicer after the site shortens it for you. Now, in case you do want to shorten it, all you need to do is paste it in here and simply click on shorten. If you don't want to do that, then simply proceed to the next step, and that is to go over to Microsoft Word or any other similar software for that matter, and you want to write something like this. Better than Google? Try this new and free search engine, EntireWeb, and you want to leave your affiliate link right next to that. You can write something else or add in a bit of info about EntireWeb if you so wish. But either way, what you now want to do is save this file to your PC, and we will now finally want to head over to the traffic site source I mentioned a few times throughout this video. That traffic source is called slideshare.net. This is a website where you can publish an article that can be related to basically anything. Moreover, you don't need to be like some professional writer or whatever. You literally just need an account in order to be able to publish your article. Now, arguably, the best part about SlideShare and why we want to use it is the fact that it's so popular. According to SimilarWeb, SlideShare got over 100 million visits in the past month. And if you come over to their homepage, you will also come across articles with millions of views as well. So, as you can see, this is a perfect site to use in order to get traffic, mainly thanks to its popularity. Now, the first thing you want to do on here is click on Sign Up in the upper right corner. Then just enter your details and log into your account. Once you log in, you will be able to see the upload button located essentially where the sign up button was. And once you click on it, you will need to open up that article of yours. From there, you'll be taken to this page to just fill in a couple of details. The title should be something like, "This search engine is better than Google." And you also want to make sure you say it's free in the title as well. In the description, you can type in something like, "Try it out in seconds," and leave the affiliate link. To finish the process, add a few tags and click on Publish right here. And millions of people will now be able to see your article, click on your link, and earn you money passively without you doing anything from this point. Anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. As always, if you enjoyed it and are enjoying my content, please give it a thumbs up below to support my channel. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos like this one, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video is released. As always, thank you all for watching.